Next concentration method, normality. Okay, indicated with a symbol capital N. So normality of the solution, another chemical method to determine the concentration. So it is number of gram equivalents of solute present in 1 liter of the solution, whereas molarity is number of gram moles of the solute present in 1 liter of the solution, but here we use gram equivalents of the solute. So number of gram equivalents of solute present in 1 liter of the solution is called normality. Okay, and denoted by the symbol capital N. Okay, then like molarity, normality is also temperature dependent. So it depends upon temperature. As temperature increases, normality decreases. Okay, temperature increases, normality decreases. Okay, then so what is normality? Number of gram equivalents of solute present in 1 liter of the solution. So simple formula for normality. Normality is equal to number of gram equivalents of solute by volume of solution in liters. Okay, volume of solution in liters. So units for normality, gram equivalents per liter. Okay, so normality is expressed in gram equivalents per liter. So units are gram equivalents per liter. So here number of gram equivalents of solute. So you know about number of moles. Number of moles, the formula is given weight by molecular weight. Whereas here for gram equivalents we use the formula given weight by equivalent weight. Instead of molecular weight, here we use equivalent weight. Okay, so number of gram equivalents is equal to weight by equivalent weight. Okay, weight by equivalent weight. Weight by gram equivalent weight. We can write gram equivalent weight. Weight of the solute by gram equivalent weight of the solute. So it is gram equivalent weight. So you know about gram equivalent weight. Okay, it comes in stoichiometry in first year. Okay, so for different chemical substances we use different formulas. If acids are there, to calculate equivalent weight we use formula molecular weight by basicity, where basicity is number of replaceable hydrogens. And if bases are there, we use formula molecular weight by acidity, where acidity is number of replaceable OH groups. If salts are there, okay, so molecular weight by charge on cation or anion. Okay, if oxidizing agents or reducing agents are there, molecular weight by number of electrons transferred in the reaction, redox reaction. Okay, so equivalent weight that is calculated for different chemical substances by using different formulas. Okay, So here number of gram equivalents, that is equal to weight by gram equivalent weight. So here by substituting formula of equivalent weight, okay, we can write normality formula in another form. Okay, so this is simple form, number of gram equivalents of solute by V in liter. So same formula, by substituting gram equivalent, we can write N is equal to, normality is equal to weight by equivalent weight into 1 by V in liters. If volume is given in ml, same as molarity, but in molarity we use molecular weight here, whereas in normality we use equivalent weight. That's all. Okay, so that is the difference here. So if volume of the solution is given in ml, so normality is equal to weight by equivalent weight into 1000 by V in ml. Okay, so this is another formula. From this again we can calculate weight of the solute. So normality into equivalent weight into V in ml by 1000. Okay, then if density and percentage is given, density and percentage weight by volume is given. So normality is equal to percentage into density into 10 by equivalent weight. Instead of molecular weight in molarity, we use equivalent weight. Then if specific gravity and percentage weight is given. Okay, if specific gravity and percentage weight by volume is given. So normality is equal to percentage into specific gravity into 10 by equivalent weight. Okay, then coming to dilution. So dilution same as in molarity, we can use N1V1 is equal to N2V2. Okay, same formulas repeated again here. Okay, then for titrations we use N1V1 by M1, N1 is equal to N2V2 by N2. Okay, so for mixture of the solutions which are acids and bases. Okay, so for mixture of solutions, first if you take mixture of solutions having same type of solute, we use formula normality is equal to N1V1 plus N2V2 by V1 plus V2, or simply we can write V. So V is equal to V1 plus V2. Okay, then for mixture of acids and bases, okay, mixture of acids and bases, normality. For example, normality of acid is Na and volume of acid is Va, and normality of base is Nb, volume of base is Vb. So normality and volume of acid NaVa, normality and volume of base NbVb. Okay, so if concentration of acid is more, okay, we use formula NaVa minus NbVb by V. V here is Va plus Vb. So this formula is used when concentration of acid is more. When concentration of acid is more, N is equal to NaVa minus NbVb by V. NaVa is normality and volume of acid, NbVb normality and volume of base. When concentration of base is more, we use formula NbVb minus NaVa by V. So this is used when concentration of base is more. So this is mixture of acids and bases. Then coming to relation between molarity and normality. Okay. Molarity into molecular weight is equal to normality into equivalent weight. So this is the relation. Or we can write normality is equal to molarity into small n. So here n is equal to acidity of base or basicity of acid or charge on cation or anion of salt or number of electrons transferred during redox reaction. Okay. So this is the relation between normality and molarity. So students, all these are very, very important formulas, and you had to substitute these formulas in numericals while doing objective. Okay. So go through it.